Okay, so what are we gonna do here? I've got my, let's see here. Oh, yeah, my baby, yep. Okay, so we've got our 3.5 millimeter mic. We've got our USB-C mic, which is not supported by the piece of equipment that we're testing here. So here, yeah, thank you for sneezing in my face. Okay, we're gonna throw that frisbee over there. Okay. So first part of the test will be to insert the microphone converter into our USB-C input here on the old GoPro. We should lose all audio at that point. And then I will try to insert the microphone into the microphone converter at various depth levels. The instructions said to push it until it clicks. The instructions for the microphone, but I'm not sure how accurate that is. It seems like maybe I only have to push it in 3/4 of the way, according to something I read. And then if that does not work, well, I know that it might, I won't be able to tell if it works. So then I'm going to do a second test, which will be to take out the microphone converter and plug the microphone converter back in with the microphone connected in to the microphone converter. Because first I'm just going to plug it in without the microphone and see what happens. So here's our scientific test. Here we go. See if we lose audio or get audio at any point. Okay, I wonder how that did. Let's see.